Hello everybody! Today for Sunday Funday, we're going to see how I draw a ladybug. Okay, pencils first and then Sharpies. So if you don't want to watch the pencil portion of the video where I sketch the entire thing out, look in the description and you'll find a link that you can click on that will take you to the Sharpie portion of the video. I'll even include one for color for those of you that are going to stick around. But for those of you that are going to stick around, I'm going to start off with a sketch and get us going. All right, so basically, I'm drawing a bug, and I'm going to make it a lady. Right? That's the rough idea. That's the ladybug of this. So I'm not drawing an actual ladybug. Well, you know what? I take it back. I'm going to add the ladybug wings. Let's do that. So we're going to do like the open back shell, you know, those wings that are on there, and then just kind of do like, I don't know, like maybe praying mantis arms, you know. Let's do that. Something a little crazy, a little fun, and give it lady features. How's that? So we'll draw nice pretty lady legs like this. Hopefully I'm still on, right? I'm on the, okay, making sure it didn't fall off. And let's make that a little bit more elegant, right? And let's see, that's going to come in there. That's going to be her thorax. Let's do that. I'm trying to play around with the look. Ooh, I'm getting really thick there with my sketch. So I'm going to have to erase some of that. How about, let's see, let's think of some kind of weird bug dress, you know? Some kind of shell type kind of thing. I don't know, I'm making it up, you know, Sunday Funday, we can do what we want. So I'm just kind of playing around with bug features. That's the best way to say it. Bug-like features. Okay. I say we go with that. I think that's good enough of a sketch that I can build off of this and go crazy with that. But let me erase some of this. I've got a lot of lines in here. But again, it's Sunday Funday, so I'm just making this up on the spot. Not even looking at any material or anything. So I'm going to grow from there. Okay, so let's welcome everybody that jumped to this portion. Welcome, skippers. Welcome to the Sharpie portion of the video. I'm going to be using a Sharpie fine point and a Sharpie pen. Mostly the fine point, but the pen's a little finer than the fine point and can find the things that the fine point can't quite find. So I'm going to start with, let's see, I've sketched it out and I've erased a majority of the dark images. I'm sorry, a majority of the light sketch lines. And what's left are the dark images, and that's what I'm going to build off of. So let's start with the big fine point Sharpie and go from there. So basically it's a bug that is a lady. So it's not quite a ladybug, but it's a bug lady. And I'm going to give her like a big, huge insectoid type kind of head. So let's start with those eyes. The eyes will kind of guide us. So I'm going to go ahead and just do some big old bug eyes like this. There we go. Now, I'm going to build off of this, and I've sketched it out, so I kind of see where I went with this, and I want to go from here. So I'm going to give her like a mandible mouth type kind of thing, but I want to do something weird with it. So I'm going to kind of layer it out like this, and then I'm going to build out from here. This will make sense in a second. Okay, so from here, I'm going to add just a few little details and grow it out. So let's connect it up here like this. Going to connect this side like that. And for the head, let's do like this. Connect it like that. Okay, so I'm going to build off of this. So it's kind of like a fly. That's kind of the whole idea of it. Kind of very, very flyish. So I'm just going to play around with adding a little bit extra detail. Just because it's a weird bug lady, you know? There is no right or wrong to what we're doing. And let's add like this little weird mouthy pincher thing. Okay, just to make it look strange, just to make it look bug-like. And I know like a fly has like a like little hairs all over it, so we'll just do like that, just some strange bug hairs. We'll add some more of these little things, more of these little guys, just because why not, you know? Strange insectoid is basically what we're drawing. Alright. Okay, now for the eyes, I kind of want to do segmented eyes like a fly, but maybe that's too much. So how about we just do a little bit of lines coming in like this, like the idea of segmented eyes, you know, but not 100%. And also, this kind of gives some texture, some strangeness to it, you know? There you go. I like that. I like that. And so again, because it's a strange bug, fly, ladybug, we can add whatever we want here. You know, just some strangeness. Let's give her some antenna. Mine came out a little thin, a little shaky. So I'm going to thicken it up a little bit too. But I want to leave it open so I can color it. I'm going to try to thicken it up just a little bit. Alright. There we go. And let's make it even stranger by having like little things floating off, right? Who knows? Who knows how this works and why she is the way she is. Okay, so now let's build off of this. So I'm going to build the shoulders kind of like this, kind of hiding in there. That's where they're going to go off. And I decided that she's going to have like praying mantis arms, so they're going to come in and then out. But I think I should draw the body because I want the arms to kind of be tucked into the body. So I'm going to give her breasts, but it's going to also be like plating. So we'll go ahead and draw as if she has like a brassiere on, something like this. But again, I'm gonna plate it. And what I mean by that is I'm going to add segmented pieces like this. And I'm just making this up. So who knows if this is going to work, right? And build into her body. And let's see, I'm going to put her like this. And that ought to give me room for, we're going to call her, oh, you know what, I'm sorry. I'm getting off of the arms. I said the whole reason we're going to do this is so I can come back and and add the arms, right? And here I'm just adding just strangeness, you know? I wanted to do this so we can add texture to the arms, or the placement of the arms, right? So now, let's see. So I'm going to draw her what do you call them? Her praying mantis arms, hands, basically, something like this. Something like that. Do the other one over here in a different position. I don't want them exactly the same. That's the strangeness, is mix it up a bit, you know? And so now I can draw the arms tucked in like I was talking about. So I want to draw the shoulder in like this. Do the other one in like this. And so this, basically the forearm is what that is. And see, I could tuck it in back behind. That's the whole idea. That was why I wanted to do that, right? Tuck behind. There we go. So I'm going to add just a little bit of strangeness. I guess that's going to be the word of the day, or that's the theme of the day, is add some strangeness. And who knows what these lines are or why I'm adding this, you know? But it gives it a sense of I was about to make something up and say bizarrality, but that's not a word, right? It gives it a sense of bizarreness or strangeness, or, you know, otherworldliness. All right. Now, that's done, so I can add the wings. So let's say her wings are tucked in back there. They kind of curve around and go up like this. Like that. We'll do the other one, same thing. It's going to curve around, go up like that. It's going to cup in because it's tucked like a ladybug. That's basically what I'm doing. This, connect it here. Same thing there. Connect it there. And it's kind of a shell like a ladybug's, right? So we're going to draw it like that. That way we can darken that in, and that's the outside. That's the whole idea, okay? So let's give her some legs. All right, so I drew some kind of weird dress type kind of thing. So let's see how I built this. Let's draw this line here like that. That's like that. And I'm trying to layer it, so I'm trying to see how I could do this. So like this, like that, like this, and like that. Okay, so that means this one's going to come in like this. This one will come in like that. I could tuck it back in. Tuck it back in. This one's like this. Don't get lost, don't get lost. This is like this. Tuck it back. There we go. That. Like that. Not bad, not bad. And we'll say this goes back behind her like that. That's the back half. Not bad. All right, so let's draw. You know what we can do? Here, let's do this. Just something a little extra, a little butterfly-like maybe. So we're gonna add. Connect that up. And I really should be doing this with color, but you know, it's just a little something, a little design that you could be doing just to change yours up, just to mix it up, you know, just to give yourself something to color or create with. So I'm kind of drawing a pattern. I'm kind of following the same thing I'm doing here. Just to see what I can do, you know? So how about we do that? And color will take care of a lot of this, but you know, for a black and white purpose, we're getting in some strange patterns. You know, some strange, otherworldly. What did I say before? Bugginess, a unique, otherworldly ladybug. All right, so now let's just give her some pretty lady legs. So I'm going to come in here for the top of the leg, in here to the ankle or the shin. I'm sorry. There's the shin to the ankle. Okay, and draw the foot down. There's the heel, the front of the toe. Okay, and let's add some detail. I did just draw like bare feet, basically, is what I'm trying to draw, but there's only so much I could do with these Sharpies, you know? Okay. And the other foot, I got kind of, here, let's give her a knee. Nice pretty knee. The other foot, I kind of have tucked back behind her. Tuck that in. So you can't really see it. It's going back this way. All you can really see is the shin, or the calf to the back of the foot. You'll see what I'm talking about in a second. Like that. We've got the heel up like this, coming down here this way. And so see, it's kind of tucked back behind, so you can't really see much by the way it's tucked in there. So last thing we'll add just kind of a strange butterfly type kind of not antenna, but the weird things on butterflies. I don't know, that's what we'll call it. So I say we let color take care of the rest. So for Sunday Fun Day, that is a ladybug. So here is my colored version. You could do it however you like. I just thought I'd show you how I decided to color it. If you'd like to color it like this, you can always pause the video here and use the coloring techniques that I used, or you can just make it your own. Remember, this is how I draw. You draw how you draw. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures of how I draw. Plus, don't forget to hit that notification button to be updated about each new video.